Hello, seventh graders. Good job on doing your asynchronous work. This is an article about using popular songs to teach similes, and it is on Newsela. Here it goes. A simile makes a direct comparison between two things. It uses the words like or as. The comparison reveals a new meaning. For example, the rock group Foreigner wrote a song called Cold as Ice. The lyrics include a simile: You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice our love. In this example, the lyrics are not talking about the weather. Instead, they compare a woman to ice to show her emotions. Many songs can be used to teach about similes. A simile is in the title of a 1965 song by Bob Dylan, Like a Rolling Stone. The song is about a woman who used to be rich but is now poor. How does it feel to be without a home, like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone? The song's title may be the most famous simile in all of pop and rock music. More songs with the word like used as a simile in the title include Like a Prayer by Madonna, Man, I Feel Like a Woman by Shania Twain, Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana, Like a Hurricane by Neil Young. Elton John wrote a song about Marilyn Monroe called Candle in the Wind. The song compares a life to a candle throughout the song. And it seems to me you lived your life like a candle in the wind, never knowing who to cling to when the rain set in. The song was recrafted into a slightly different tune, Goodbye England's Rose. John performed it at a 1997 funeral of Princess Diana. This was 24 years after the original version. The fact that the lyrics stayed similar shows how a well crafted simile can last a long time. A simile is different from another figure of speech called a metaphor. Similes use the words like and as. They make direct comparisons. Metaphors make indirect comparisons. Both metaphors and similes are very common in music. Here are some songs that have similes. Believer by Imagine Dragons. This song compares physical pain to a choking rain of ashes. The group's lead singer, Dan Reynolds, explained that the song is about overcoming emotional and physical pain. He had suffered a serious form of arthritis that was very painful. I was choking in the crowd, living my brain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground. We see it right there, like ashes to the ground. Stitches by Shawn Mendes. Shawn Mendes explained that in the music video for this song, he is getting beaten up by something you can't see. The lyrics use the comparison word like. Just like a moth drawn to a flame, oh, you lured me in, I couldn't sense the pain. The video shows that the beating was all part of his imagination. It's a creative comparison between physical hurt and emotional pain. Just Like Fire by Pink. Pink is known for her in your face lyrics. Just Like Fire is an empowering song. It is about Pink's own value as a person and as an artist. Lyrics using the comparison keyword like. Just like fire burning out the way, if I can light the world up just for one day, watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like magic, I'll be flying free. I'ma disappear when they come for me. The song also uses the idea of light. It hints at how important it is for Pink to bring light to the world through music. X's and O's by Elle King. This song is about King's past relationships. Lyrics that use the comparison word like are X's and the O's, they haunt me. Like a ghost, they want me to make them all. They won't let go. So we have there like a ghost. Sorry for the singing. I just love this song. King started writing the song as a joke, but King's record company, RCA, decided it would be the hit single. And that's it. It's the whole thing. So there's no questions or comments about this. There's no assignment attached to this. I think it's just important that you guys heard these different examples of similes because you're going to have to try and find some in a song that I'm providing you guys in the next part of the asynchronous work. Once again, I apologize for the singing. I won't do it again, I promise. Actually, I don't promise that. I sing all the time. But anyway, love you guys very much. Thank you for doing your asynchronous work. I hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to reach out to me or any of the other teachers in ELA if you have any questions about the asynchronous work. See you in class.